bilai shumun fibro kajing pentip namta kitu ki ba apply post ke balaj apok negrims te ki list namta ki eligible bat ki ineligible candidate ki lami te ngan puli katkom kane ka advertisement ka notice ke ba pentip namta ki keteng ki ba long eligible but ineligible. With reference to the advertisement date 17 June, advertisement kami hukat neutrik June arjar apply published in a Negrim website for recruitment purely on temporary and contractual basis under Indian Council of Medical Research funded project title The Utilization of Maternal Health Service in East Khasi Hill District of Meghalaya across sectional study. Kipus kide jangka project assistant, medical social worker and data entry operator grade C. Teki kerteng jong kibalong eligible but ineligible ayang ne teka jongka post project assistant. Yo biang mi garod eligible tangba subject to production of NOC from present employment. Tang lada pi produce ya ka NOC lada produce monolong ineligible. Tips ngirembai Ripa Lawan Lauren yang eligible degree certificate to produce haban produce ya ka degree certificate. Okay, stepping stone Dr. Alisha Dr. Okay, then Tipimi Emrambai eligible subject to production of NOC from present employment. Ibamonlin George Calwis Samaya Pawa eligible to production of NOC. Karen Jerry Yedonlang Engresia Bandaman Bha Ayan Sambha Arkidon Andriana is all eligible. Dan kini Saba Yasmin ineligible, Cynthia Bansara ineligible over age, Sonia Lamurong ineligible, Ardamanki ineligible, Lily Dora ineligible, Eugenia Nongrum, Hero Kingston Snaitang, Wan Kemen Karkongor, Gerard Tekine bro ki long ineligible baro kine mo sampai katang nganam puli lut baro ineligible te kidon ki bom don experience but ki balong over age. Ineligible over age do sanpuwe sanpuar new puwe kine baro long ineligible. Adu ba new puwe ki long ineligible ki ba eligible ki don tang arpo tang arpo ngon ki balong eligible berkitu gue beda lada ki penbiang ki documents. Dan post of medical social worker tikine ki balong eligible Wanda Elizabeth Crowber Eldalin Dakani Tiang dan Banabel Nangte eligible subject to production of NOC. Nafisa Davega Ibalari Geniality Manbha Eltilda Hadu Crowborlang Khat Sangut Kibalong eligible kini kiwebat kilong ineligible dan kibom don experience mat coverage Absan Dater Francisco Warmore ineligible Obed Wan Penhun kini kilong ineligible tu hadu tolak dap. Dan name of data entry operator DEO grade C ki balong eligible to hang namo gila ai choi ki balong eligible dan kisawan ki balong ineligible tas check ki katang jong pi malay phimlong ineligible. Imelda Thrang Penrabor Pensyai Penhun Richester Kathleen turu hap produce ka NFC Nelang Kraukpar Syaprang Noplang Federin Bankit Bok Yaine Larik Halari Santiano Harmoni Depidaro Ibansuk Klarin Larinda Balajit Refika Hunhin Swadiam Meba Kineo Nadulang ni Nadu nomor Arpo Ki Nadu nomor Khatsan Kini Gilong ineligible Adu bakat Khandru over age but non experience tang hadu bakat nriu ma kini gil dagi ineligible candidate and non experience but over age tes page bhai kertang mebel aisha okay la tho moi kini reason balai philong over age la dap tho angne tes page ba la download hang ne gi detail baro way po way Sambo Robert Sean Avinash, Lily, Jasper, Lipe, no desire experience, Marina and Matsudo Bairo. Te hangne baro ki kerteng ke badai jongkin ki post lightly ki name on the post. Te ada permit but eligible but ineligible candidate te check. Te kini ki bolong eligible pan ka date of interview kan dai khatoi tarik jong July kan dai kasim R. Venue the CTR2 Department of Obstetrics and Gynecology main building Negrim Shillong ka reporting time ka dai khandai baje to khandai stang interview ka dai khandai stang sejarong khandai stang step. Only the shortlisted candidate are eligible for interview. Tang itu giba shortlist interview for interview and selection of candidate will be purely on interview basis. Kan syong mai haka interview. The interview may continue till next day 12 if it doesn't get over. Lara kam kilam la ban pendek bakat baik kan poi hadu akal artaring. Note it okay. Shortlist candidate to bring all the document original plus self attested copy 1. The barok habrai original but ki self attested. And one recent passport size. Candidate without required document at the time strictly will not be considered. Okay. The selection will purely on contractual basis. Okay, you have to adapt on. Back in renew. For any queries, please contact Principal Investigator Dr. Anya Nadas, Associate Professor, Department of Physics. The kibikwa ban tip banyak pangkane pila ban kontak une nomor belah ne mam. Ndai saulai ndriu lai praar safun ni une ban tip banyak la bikwa ban yo jeng tip bakamnya. Tangine jeng tip kule jebon.